Rick Brunson is a former NBA player and current assistant coach for the New York Knicks. He rejoined the Knicks as an assistant coach in June 2022. He has worked with head coaches including Thibodeau and Mike Brown. In 2026, he won an NBA championship with a Knicks, serving on the staff while his son Jalen started as a player, the first father-son duo to achieve an NBA title together in player-coach roles on the same team. Brunson met his wife Sandra at Temple, where she played volleyball. They have two children, Jalen and Erika. The New York Knicks hired Brunson as an assistant coach on June 2, 2022, and his son Jalen joined the team a month later on a 4-year, $104 million contract. A key thread throughout his coaching career has been his long friendship with Tom Thibodeau. The two met in 1987, playing in a Salim Men's League at age 15, and the relationship led to Bronson serving as Thibodeau's assistant with the Timberwolves, Bulls, and Knicks through the end of the 2024-25 season. He went on to coach at Camden High School, New Jersey, briefly resigning before the 2020-21 season, while the team was ranked 7 nationally, team returning days later and staying until 2022. His best statistical season came with the Clippers in 2004-5, averaging a career high 5.5 points per game, and he was waived by settled in February 2026 after the injury shortened stint. In 2014, acquitted of charges related to criminal sexual abuse after a massage therapist claimed a